Hello friends, and welcome to today's video where I make some questionable decisions and decide to film it, and it is so echoey in this bathroom. I do apologize, but if you guys have not seen my other videos like this, I will link them down below because occasionally I like to make questionable decisions and try and bleach my hair at home and try and take you guys on the adventure. It's still really echoey in here, but there we go. I questionably sometimes like to do my hair at home, not just because of the panoramic pandanomia, whatever outside in the world, but also just because I'm cheap and I'm broke. So if you guys want to like this video, it helps the YouTube algorithm out, it helps me out, and maybe one day you won't have to watch this content because I'll be able to just go to the hair salon again. That would be great. But for today's video, we are attacking this mess of somewhat brownness, and there is a lot of yellow happening, as is life. But look at how bad these roots are. They are so super dark, and because I have been doing some of this on my own for the past like year, however long we've been in this situation, there's definitely some unevenness in terms of like what's super blonde, what's brown, what's happening in this middle section. Nobody actually knows. So we are going to try and fix some of that up, and I'm gonna take you guys on the adventure. I'm gonna try this cream lightener that I got at Sally's Beauty Supply. I will also link it down below if you guys wanna check it out. I've never tried the cream one before, and I was like, I just wanna try something different, see what happens. I'm going to use this cream with 30 volume developer. I've never actually used 40 volume because I'm a little bit afraid that it's just gonna absolutely burn all of my hair off. Yes, there are kids playing outside just screaming right now. I don't know why they're doing that. We're gonna mix these guys up 1 to 2, so let's go. So I'm actually gonna try and do this correctly, which is where you would section it so it's a little bit easier. Yes, I'm doing this in the camera, which makes it just a little bit not as easy as it could be. Should be turned and face the mirror, but so we're gonna section it, this first section part, and you just wanna get this one out of the way. Tie that guy in, and then you wanna section them to your ear, basically, wherever your ear is. So we're gonna do like that guy. Woo, she is brown. So then that one, and then we're also gonna do this ear, something like that. Something. And then I'm just gonna do like a back section just to get some of this hair out of the way. So we're left with this back section and these sections. Looking cool. All right, here we go. Gotta put our gloves on, of course. No. So you don't want to overlap the bleached areas with the non-bleached areas. You don't want to overlap this non-bleached with the bleach because it'll break your hair off, but like, good luck. I don't really understand how they do that in the thing, in the salons, but I'm also not a cosmetologist. I also didn't go to school for this, so what the heck do I really know? Like that Hilary Duff song, why not take Chrysler chance? I probably can't even leave this in because it's copyrighted. All of these things feel like a bad idea. I don't know why I'm doing them. That's a good song. All of these things feel like a bad idea. I don't know why I'm doing them. Da 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 da. See, this side is already starting to lighten, and this is the side I just did. That's kind of wild. Here's what this looks like. It has been roughly 35 minutes, and I will say, you can just feel the heat coming off of this. This is absolutely burning the crap out of my scalp, and it was already burning like when I put it on. It wasn't just one where it's like been burning, it started burning randomly. It's like, no, this stuff's been burning the whole time. So I definitely should have used they have a product they recommend. It's like a scalp, easy on your scalp, which I probably should have bought instead of like whatever this cheap stuff was that I bought. But here's what it looks like thus far. I'm about to wash it out though, because it really hurts. And it's weird because it looks really dark under there still. And now I'm panicking that it is dark under there, but you can see how red my ear is. Oh my goodness. I may be sunburned too. I'm not entirely sure, but this ear was freaking killing me. So I was like, I have to get this hair off. It just hurts so bad. So hopefully good things will happen. It recommended that you don't put this on any longer than 50 minutes. I'm trying to keep it on for 40 because I have very stubborn hair, but it hurts so much. So I think I'm gonna take it off at the 40 mark because I just cannot. This is what it looks like right outside of that. I have to throw this out there. I think I always do this part last, and I really think that's just a mistake because it's so orange up here. It's a little hard to tell, but like these pieces you can see are like so much whiter because these are the pieces that were on a lot longer. So it's like, I don't understand why I'm always doing this part last when that's the part I want to see the most. So I'll give you the once around. So now we're gonna use the toner. It is the cream toner in brilliant white. It's called Platinum Lace. We're gonna hope for the best on this one. And I'm gonna use this 20 volume developer for it. And we're gonna use our little cup method again because I just like, you wanna make it equal 1 part ratio, but I don't know how much is in this tube. I'm gonna take it and we're gonna, however much is in this. So it's about this much full. So I think this might be better than the Wella T18, which is what I normally use. I just wanted to try something different, see if it would make any difference or if it would be exactly the same. And I should really try and save up money and go to an actual hairdresser. Again, thumbs up this video, subscribe, it can't hurt, it can only make things better. So then to add the toner, it does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be on your head. You can realistically just do this with the gloves, you don't even need to spread it on with this. I'm just doing this just for the camera angles, but you're just gonna wanna make sure you glop it on really good. Make sure all of these pieces, especially the pieces in the front, anything that's really gonna show, you just really get it on there. So I'm gonna keep doing that. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks like right now. We're gonna hope for the best. So here's what it looks It's been 20-ish minutes, 20 minutes. It said to do 15 minutes with a 10 volume developer or 30 with a 20 volume developer. So of course, I'm just not gonna follow the instructions at all and do a 20 volume developer for like 20-ish minutes. This stuff is still burning my head again. What's kind of weird, on this side you can see this part is like turning purple, but right by my ear is still yellow. So I'm not sure if I missed, but I did it on both sides. It is the next day. I have blow dried and straightened my hair and also curled it. I don't know why I already have curly hair, but I wanted to show you guys kind of a better view of the color. So here's what the roots look like. They are looking a lot better than that hot mess. What's very interesting is that the color I chose said that it was platinum blonde. When I went to Sally's Beauty Supply, they actually didn't have the original color that I wanted, so that's why I chose the platinum color. And I feel like your girl is platinum. I feel like on those roots areas, it is definitely very platinum, which I don't know if I love. It's just weird because I feel like it doesn't really match the rest of my hair color, or maybe that's just me. Maybe it depends on the lighting, what kind of bathroom situation you're in. I don't know. But you guys can let me know in the comments below. You think it's platinum, you think it's not, you think it's okay, I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of the color. So you guys can see how it turned out. I'm gonna show you the back because I'm sure I missed some in the back. But so. And then each side. How's she looking? See, it's definitely very something happening. What I find so interesting is the fact that when I go to the hair salon, my roots stay like brown. When I do it at home, my roots always get dyed too. So this first like week, I never really love the color because it's like so blonde. And I kind of like having just a little bit of that shadow so it matches my eyebrows, but that's fine. So here's kind of what it looks like. There's it by my ear, so you guys can get some really good ideas of if this product works. I mean, it definitely works. Like, I have crazy stubborn hair anyway, so when I do normally go to like the salon, it always takes forever for the hair to process. And I feel like this stuff processed extremely quickly. Like, I had it on this side for maybe 15 minutes and it was already lifting a lot of that color out. It's always a little bit hard to really get the orangey yellow tone out, but I feel like these products definitely really worked to get rid of that color. So yeah. I will leave links down below for all the products that I used in case you guys want to check them out. I did originally get them from Sally's Beauty Supply, but I'm gonna leave the Amazon links just because it's easier. And if you guys buy through Amazon, I do get just a tiny portion kickback, which helps support my channel. But if you really want to help support my channel and just be awesome, hit the like button. It really does help. And subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I make lots of tutorial videos and hair videos apparently, because I'm just one of those people who loves to change their hair color. And by that I mean I like it to be blonde and not brown, which is what is coming out of my head at currently. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!